Hey guys, welcome back to another quick phone video. Today I have an amazing unboxing for you guys. I finally got the OnePlus 6T, as you can see here in my possession. I ordered it the day it came out, which was Thursday of last week. So finally today, Tuesday, I received it in the mail, and man, I am happy. I've been wanting to get the OnePlus for a while, never did. So I was like, I'm gonna wait till the OnePlus 6T came out, and it finally is here. So guys, I'm happy to bring this to the channel for you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing like we always do. So as you can see, very nice box. I love the packaging. I love OnePlus 6 or OnePlus, should I say, for doing this. I like their whole thing. So it says OnePlus Community. Now it says a collection of individuals possessed of a tremendous understanding and superior taste in the finest technology. What's most important is that you're a part of what we do, and that includes you. Wow, very cool. I've never seen a box this cool. I mean, just look at this. It looks almost like a granite kind of top with a logo just engraved on there, 6. So very nice, guys. Look at that. It even looks kind of like a chip, and as you see, there's a bunch of plus signs. I don't know if the camera can capture that, but there's a bunch of plus signs right there. But very cool, guys. Check that out. Hopefully the camera catches that. But let's look at it. You know how I do the unboxings. So on the right side, there looks like the fingerprint sensor right there. It says unlock the speed, I'm guessing. Once we remove that, it should say something. I don't want to show you all the stuff in the back, but it says OnePlus Community. Same thing that I said in the front. OnePlus, of course. And this is the OnePlus 6T model. As you can see it right there. Very nice. I just like how it looks all granite. The bottom, there's nothing on the top. It just says never settle. So very nice. So let's go ahead and pop it open, guys. I have my handy dandy kitchen knife, like always. Now that is off, let's go ahead and peel it. Very nice. I'm super excited for this. Nice packaging and everything. So that's out of the way. Let's go ahead and take a look at it now. Wow, this box feels premium. So this should slide off. Yep, look at that. It slides right off. So let me put this to the side of the video. Very nice. Let's go ahead and give it that first open. Kind of reminds me of iPhone a little bit with their boxes, you know. Whew. Oh my God. Look at that beauty. Look at this. Hopefully the camera captures it. Same thing like I said, reminds me a little bit of Apple. What is this? Whoa. What the heck? Oh, it's like, what the heck? Oh. See, this is what other reviewers never show you guys is the everything that's in here, you know? So it's pretty cool. As you can see, there's like a little fingerprint, I guess, in-display fingerprint. Is this a case or something? There's just a little holder. Oh, what? You get a freaking case in here? What? And I ordered a case. Whoa. I ordered a case. I didn't know this phone came with a case, but definitely comes with a case. My case is still clear and stuff, but I want to thank and give a shout out to OnePlus for sending out a case with the phone. I bought this cash, guys, so they're not sponsoring this video at all. Let's see what else we get in here. Whoa. Look at all this stuff. Manuals? Whoa. Oh yeah, look at that. Little manual, quick starter guide, safety information, and of course, man, look at this premium packaging that they give you. Very nice. So you get your key extractor tool, or your SIM extractor tool, should I say. So let's go ahead and put this to the side now that we know what that is. But shout outs. I like companies that give you a case, because imagine if there's no cases for this phone. Man, that's gonna set you back. So good thing I was able to order my case, and it came the same day that I got it. So let me put this there. All right, let's see what else we get in this box, and then we'll look at the beautiful phone in just a sec. Okay, so that comes off. So it says innovation letter. So is there a letter in here? I don't know. A word from P OnePlus CEO. Oh wow, so you get to open this? Oh my God, what is this, guys? 5 years old. Look at that. 5 years old and a million stories told. Whoa. Created by you with you for you. Man, what is this? Check this out. So I'll let you, I'll stop this here if you want. You can go ahead and actually read everything, guys. But pretty cool. Says, friend, let me be the first to welcome you to the OnePlus community. So like I said, I'll let you read all that. I'll read that on my own time. But let's go ahead and see what else we get in here. Very, very cool. So let me just put this here so you guys can see what we have in the box. So, whoa, look at this. Wow, look at this brick. This thing's huge, man. Look at this. Good God. This is the, whoa, OnePlus logo right there. Very, very cool. Let's see if it can focus on that. Come on. So white. Pretty cool. I like that. It's red inside. Very, very nice. So I did get the US one because, of course, I'm in the United States. And look at this. Whoa, look at the charger. It's so nice material, too. It feels rubbery, nice. It's of course Type-C dash charge is what they call it. I do like that it covers with a little piece. Wow, look at that detail, man. This is what I like to spend my money on in good companies like this. So very, very nice. And then of course in the box you also get your dongle, that jack, the 3.5mm headphone jack. So you do get the little dongle. Like I said, just like Apple and stuff like that. So that's one thing that I know a lot of people didn't like about OnePlus doing this year. But let's go ahead and actually get to the phone. Whoop, sorry. Wow. So right out the gate, guys, this feels pretty hefty. Not light at all. So here we go. As you can see, to maximize the performance of our in-display fingerprint sensor, we recommend using screen protectors from OnePlus and our official partner. So that's pretty good. So let's go ahead. It's, God, this phone's so black. It's like, can you even tell? Let me remove all this stuff. That way we can focus just on the phone. All right, so now that we have the phone right here, guys, like I said, I got the Mirror Black Edition. This is rocking 8 gigs of RAM with 120 gigs of, I think it's 128 gigs of internal storage. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So as you can see, here it is, guys. Jeez, look at that. It's so shiny. I mean, so shiny. Like I said, this is a Mirror Black Edition. So let me see how cool that is. Of course, it has NFC. So the NFC sensor is located on the center of the dual camera hub. So it's saying it's right up here. God, this phone's so dark. But let's look at it. Let me see if I can make this. So there, hopefully with that, it is a little bit brighter. You guys can see it. Like I said, the phone's just, it's so black. Look at that. I don't even know if it shows on camera, but very nice. I did make it a little bit more brighter for you. That way you can see it. So first of all, you do get your teardrop notch right there. There it is. Teardrop notch right there. I wanted the red edition, but there's no red edition for the 6T just yet. On the bottom, you do get your firing speakers down here. And then, of course, you get your charging port right here, Type-C charging port. Let's see. Ooh, so you do get your silencer button right here as well. Pretty cool. You do have a power button on the right. On the left, you have your volume up and volume down. Very nice. You do have a SIM tray up here as well, as you can see it right there. Let me see if I can just get it to focus a little bit. Very nice. On the top, you just get a mic, and in the back, you do have the OnePlus logo right there. Let me see if I can focus it. There you go. And as you can see as well, you do have your dual cameras in the back. Sorry guys, I'm just so excited for this phone. But let's go ahead and actually peel this off. Very nice. Also peel this off. Talking about the NFC, and let's go ahead and give it the first boot up. Like I said, it feels solid. It's a big phone too. Does it have any juice? There you go. So look at that. It does have some juice. And it's coming on right now. It's a big display. Oh my God. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm finally in here in the phone. Have everything set up. So it's the first time ever setting it up. So let's go ahead and power this up. Wow. First of all, the colors are so vibrant right now. It's crazy. I'm definitely comparing this to my Galaxy S9 Plus, hands down. It just looks so vibrant. Bigger screen and everything as well, especially with the whole big screen. The notch is not giving me one bit of issues at all. So I definitely like it. I do have the dual SIM model. As you can see, I do have the unlocked variant. I didn't get the T-Mobile variant because, you know, I don't want to be stuck with anybody. I like if this also works with Verizon as well. Will work for AT&T and T-Mobile as well. But hey, you know, I got the unlocked variant. Another cool thing I want to show you in the back real quick is, yes, it's a fingerprint magnet all the way. And down here, as you can see it, let me see if I can focus it. You'll say designed by OnePlus. Very, very nice. Let me try to focus. God, this mirror finish is just so hard to get. There you go. So very, very nice overall, guys. I'll let it just catch back to the focus. Come on, Mr. Focus. All right, so there we go, guys. Sorry about that. So now let's just look into it and see what we have. So let's go ahead and scroll down menu. So you can see you do have many options: mobile data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, flashlight, auto rotate, battery saver, airplane mode, night mode, location. What is this? Switch data card. Wow, that's pretty cool. So this is where you switch your SIM card. Do not disturb, NFC. So this phone does have NFC. Well, gaming mode. What? Gaming mode, reading mode, hotspot. Very, very cool. So let's just look at it. Whoa, it's buttery smooth. As you can see, it does have 8 gigs of RAM. It does have OnePlus, of course. Apps right here. So community, you can also switch information if you had an old OnePlus. Of course, you can swipe up. What is this? But what am I doing? So you can swipe up to go to your app drawer. As you can see right there, calculator, calendar, camera, Chrome, clock, community, contacts, download, drive, duo, file manager. I like that it has file manager. As you can see, not much bloatware at all, guys. That's what I like about this. There's not much bloatware because I do have the unlocked variant, of course. Recorder, Play Store. It's another cool thing. So photos, YouTube. Yep, there you go. Weather. Very, very nice, guys. Let's just scroll down and see what we have in the settings. So we have Wi-Fi, internet, Bluetooth, device connection, display, apps notification, sound, button and gestures, battery. Of course, I have 48% storage. Look at that. So yep, as you can see, 128 gig model. It's only using 13.24 gigs. That's what I like about this. It doesn't use up much storage. So that's very nice. Security and lock screen. So this one does have facial recognition and, of course, in-screen fingerprint sensor, which I'll show you in a little bit. Account, security, utilities. So gaming mode. Wow, I need to play with all this stuff. App locker. What? There's an app locker. So if you're gonna let this phone to, let's say, your son or something, he does some, and you have apps that you don't want him to access, then you can lock them. Very, very cool. We'll get more into all that stuff later on. Languages. So what's this? System update already? So I'm guessing, whoa, oxygen. So there's a new system, 9.0. I'll do that later. Multiple users, recent app management, OTG storage. Whoa, there's just so much stuff on this phone. So let me show you kind of the in-screen fingerprint. So I did this. Let's see, where is it? Oh, here it is. So look at that. I don't know if you can. You have to unlock it first. I don't know. I think you have to unlock it, but as you can see right there, watch this. Look at that effects. It's pretty cool. Push the power button to unlock it. Boom. Let's do that one more time. Right there's a scanner. Boom. Look at that. It's quick. It's not as quick as if there's one in the back, but hey guys, it's quick enough. Very, very nice. Like I said, fingerprint magnet all the way. So especially with the glass back, so definitely clean that. But overall, guys, I'm loving this phone. I can't wait to test it out. I actually have a couple SIM cards I'm gonna pop in here. Probably AT&T. Maybe try Cricket. Maybe, you know, if it was on Boost, I'd try it on Boost. But overall, or Sprint. But I'm gonna test it out on Verizon or somebody. You know, Cricket, AT&T, T-Mobile. Maybe try the dual SIMs. Very, very nice, guys. So overall, I think it's a go. Let me just check out the camera really quick before I go. Is the camera supposed to be really good too? Wow. Look at that. Portrait mode. Detect effect. Oh, look at that blur effect. Jesus. All right, let's do the selfie. Oh my God. I don't think I've seen a clearer camera. Look, you can see my little pimples and everything. What? I think I haven't seen a better camera in a while. So I just took a shower too. So I just took a shower, so don't mind me, guys. So that's why my hair looks all messed up. But whoa, video mode. Wow, look at the details. Holy Jesus. Let's switch the camera around. Wow, it's really zoomed in, that's for sure. But oh my god, look at this camera. Definitely going to be doing, of course, there's night mode as well. You don't have to worry about that. But guys, I'm definitely going to do a review. So you're in the correct place for more OnePlus 6T videos, news, unboxings. I'm definitely going to do a review. Sorry for the long video, guys. I get really excited with stuff, and remember, never settle. So guys, this is what brought to you by Dragonicwarfare. Of course, that is me. Hopefully you liked it. Definitely going to be doing a lot more. If you like my in-depth unboxing of this phone, please give it a thumbs up, rate it, share it. You can also check out my website now. I'm going to put a lot of more content on it, exclusive content in the description below. It's Blogger, so it's ad supported. So if you want to support the channel, you can via that. Also, you can check out netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot. They do help out with this stuff. So like I said, true unlimited AT&T Hotspot for only $60 a month. But if you use my link and promo code Sanchez45973 at checkout, you will save $5. Or you can donate via my PayPal in the description below. Thank you guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonicwarfare signing off. Thank you.